The lightweight drone battle is on with the arrival of the DJI Flip and the HoverAir X1 Pro. Released in early 2025, the DJI Flip targets casual users and vloggers with its simplicity and style. In contrast, the HoverAir X1 Pro, launched in September 2024, has already captured the attention of outdoor enthusiasts with its sleek design and robust performance. As demand for portable, high-performance drones rises, both models offer unique features, leaving enthusiasts curious about which will come out on top. Let's find out. The HoverAir X1 Pro, weighing just 6.75 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Its folded dimensions of 105 by 149 by 34 millimeters make it pocket-friendly, while its unfolded size of 173 by 149 by 39 millimeters retains a compact footprint during use. The DJI Flip, although slightly heavier at 8.78 ounces, remains within the sub-250 gram category, ensuring compliance with minimal regulatory restrictions in many regions. Its folded dimensions, 136 by 62 by 165 millimeters, and unfolded size, 233 by 280 by 79 millimeters, indicate a bulkier profile compared to the HoverAir X1 Pro. However, its folding design ensures it's still convenient for travel. While the DJI Flip's slightly larger size may detract from its portability, it offers enhanced battery capacity and a more robust build. Ultimately, HoverAir X1 Pro takes the crown for ultra-compact portability. The HoverAir X1 Pro is equipped with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 17mm lens. This setup delivers up to 4K video resolution at 60 frames per second and Full HD at 120 FPS. While the image quality is excellent overall, it's worth noting that the X1 Pro could improve in photo quality and features. As a selfie drone, its primary strength lies in its tracking performance and intelligent flight modes, which enhance user convenience for capturing dynamic shots. On the other hand, the DJI Flip offers a more versatile camera system with a similar 4K video resolution at up to 60 FPS, but also supports 2.7K vertical video recording at 30 FPS, catering to content creators focused on social media platforms. Additionally, the Flip's Full HD recording at 100 FPS allows for slow motion footage. While its image quality is described as good but not exceptional, the Flip's dual drone functionality and vertical shooting capabilities add unique versatility, making it an attractive option for creative users. Battery performance is a critical factor in lightweight drones, and this is where the DJI Flip outshines the HoverAir X1 Pro. The Flip's 3,110 mAh battery offers an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes, significantly outlasting the X1 Pro's 1920 mAh battery with a maximum flight time of 16 minutes. This extended flight duration gives the DJI Flip a clear edge, especially for users seeking longer shooting sessions without frequent recharging. Both drones support modern charging methods. The HoverAir X1 Pro relies on USB-C cables, a charging hub, and a 65-watt power adapter, ensuring flexibility in charging scenarios. Similarly, the DJI Flip uses USB-C and a dedicated battery charging hub, emphasizing convenience. However, the Flip's longer flight time makes it more suitable for users prioritizing extended aerial sessions. The HoverAir X1 Pro's primary strength lies in its intelligent flight modes and app-based manual flight capabilities. These features make it easy to operate, even for novice users, and its fantastic tracking performance ensures smooth and dynamic shots. However, its manual flight speeds are notably slower, which could limit its appeal for users seeking more control and agility. In contrast, the DJI Flip offers 3 distinct flight modes: Scenic, Normal, and Sport. These modes cater to a wide range of users, from beginners to more experienced pilots. The Flip's performance in windy conditions, however, leaves room for improvement, as it's not as stable as heavier drones. Despite this, the Flip's versatility and dual drone functionality allow it to function both autonomously and as a camera drone, providing a unique edge over the HoverAir X1 Pro. When it comes to video transmission, the DJI Flip again takes the lead. Its transmission range of up to 13 km under FCC standards and 8 km under CE SRRC MIC regulations is impressive for a drone of its size. This extended range ensures reliable connectivity and uninterrupted footage, even in expansive areas. The HoverAir X1 Pro, while adequate for its intended use, falls short with a transmission range of 500 meters when controlled via the phone app and up to 1 kilometer with the optional beacon controller. For users requiring longer range operation, the DJI Flip is the superior choice. The HoverAir X1 Pro's small and lightweight design makes it exceptionally easy to handle and deploy, and its optional accessories create a cohesive ecosystem. However, its slow manual flight speeds and limitations in photo quality may deter more advanced users. The DJI Flip, despite being slightly bulkier when folded, compensates with its robust build and dual drone functionality. Its sub-250-gram weight ensures regulatory compliance while offering features like vertical video recording that cater to modern content creation trends. However, its performance in windy conditions could be a drawback for users in less stable environments. The DJI Flip starts at $439 for the drone-only package. This price includes the DJI RC-N3 controller, which usually costs about $129 on its own, adding value to the package. The Flip is priced between entry-level models, making it attractive to beginners and casual users who want quality on a budget. In comparison, the HoverAir X1 Pro is priced at $499 due to its advanced features and capabilities. The HoverAir X1 Pro offers durability and specialized features for a specific market, justifying its higher price compared to entry-level drones. The DJI Flip's strong capabilities make it a great choice for serious photographers and videographers. Thank you for watching. Here, the DJI Flip takes the crowns of an ultimate lightweight drone for its superior versatility, performance, and value. With a longer flight time of up to 31 minutes, an impressive 13-kilometer transmission range, and a price starting at just $439. The Flip offers exceptional features for content creators and drone enthusiasts alike. Its 4K video at 60 FPS, vertical recording capabilities, and intelligent flight modes make it a powerful tool for vlogging and aerial photography. Do you think the same? Let's discuss it in the comments section below.